Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have discussed about the basic blocks of HTML elements and heading, paragraph and button elements. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the order list and unordered list elements. Okay, these order list and unordered list elements are the important HTML tags which are used to create lists on the web page. These lists are useful for presenting the information in a clear and structured manner. Here is the structure how they look like in the HTML code. These are the elements named as UL and OL, whereas UL means unordered list and OL means ordered list. Here is the example you can find out on the right of the page. These all are unordered list elements. They didn't have any specific order, whereas ordered lists are in the ordered manner like 1, 2, 3, 4 or Roman numbers or ABCD. We are going to update the content in these tags using the list elements. Here is the example for the syntax. Let us try out in the VS Code. Let me take a scenario that I'm going to add a few items into my cart. Okay. How I am going to take the output? So using the unordered list elements. Okay. Let me write the UL tag first of all. In this UL tag, I'm gonna add few items. Okay. How the item should be updated using the list element, right? Let me write list element here. I'm gonna add first milk and then bread and then cheese and then honey. Yeah, as you see here output, it gives us like a unordered list elements. So this is called UL element. Same as if I want to make output as a order list element. So I want to just change here UL to OL and here OL. So see here, I got the output as a order list elements. I got the output as a order list elements containing numberings. So here you can change these numberings into any alphabet or any Roman numbers using the CSS part. In the future videos, we are gonna start our CSS part. So this is the order list and unordered list elements. Let me take a next video. You are going to learn about div container element and the HTML attributes. Thank you.